Hey, Jack Marks, $1 trillion man here. Again, I've created over $1 trillion in value for shareholders, for investors, just like you. Hundreds of multi-bagger stocks over the last 25 years, a couple of hundred baggers, a bunch of stocks I've introduced just in the last few years. It went up 10x to 50x. That's right, 10 times to 50 times your money. Here's the one thing that's really important that you got to understand. Price is everything. Price is everything. You make your profit when you buy, not when you sell. That's right. You make the profit when you buy. What does that mean? Let me give you a practical application. Whenever I introduce a stock to our audience as a next super stock, for example, I'm looking for things which are undervalued to the peer group. I'm looking for stocks that are trading, somewhere between 50%, 75, 90% discount, that's right, to where the peer group is. So for example, if the peer group is trading at 10 times revenues, our stock should be trading at 1 times the revenue multiple, or 2 times the revenue multiple, 3 times at the most. What that does is it gives us an automatic profit. All we got to do is just be a little bit patient, and of course, we got to put the magic of Wall Street Reporter or some other media properties to work, which get millions and millions of investor eyeballs onto these stocks. And again, what does that do? That creates demand. Okay, because when we let investors know about the opportunities, this undervalued opportunity, look, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's common sense, right? If I tell people about a stock that's worth, a stock is trading at 10 cents, but really it's worth $2 or $3. I think enough of those people are going to decide, hey, you know what? Hey, maybe this guy's full of shit, but you know what? Maybe the stock, maybe it's not worth $2 or $3. Maybe it's worth $1. So you still have a 10 times upside, right? That's the way it works. So look, you gotta buy these things when they're really beaten down. I'll give you an example. We have a biotech stock working with that's trading at a market cap of about $7 million. $7 million. Based on what they have, based on where they are in their clinical development program, it's psilocybin, psilocybin-based therapeutic. That's right, psychedelics. This stock really should be trading at minimum. I mean, there are peers that are trading at valuations of 100 million, right? 50 million at least, right? So what does that mean? Let's do the math. That gives us a 10 to 20 times upside just based on the comps. All we got to do is just wait for that valuation gap to close. You just got to be a little bit patient. And again, it's just a question of time. Let's say this stock is trading at a nickel. I think that's a great entry point. The one time you lose money with stocks is when you buy something that's been pumped up already. Something that's could be trading at a lot of these stocks might be, if there's some promotion going on or something, the thing might be trading at $50-100 million, but there's no underlying fundamentals. So what that means is, if there's no floor to that stock, it just floats back down. I don't like those situations. I don't get involved in situations like that. I like to get in on the ground floor. So look, if you want to get on the ground floor opportunities, make sure you subscribe to this channel or wherever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Leave your comments below.